What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out at Simpson Race World today for Simpson Race Products. I'm sure you guys, if you've ever been around any racing, you've heard of Simpson Race Products. They have been around since 1959 when the guy was Bill Simpson started the company, and a lot of his friends in racing were getting hurt and killed, and that's when he decided, he's like, somebody's got to do something to make everything safer. That's when he came out with the first drag racing parachute, then harnesses, fire suits, you know, so on and so on. But anyway, we're out here today to pick up the rest of the harnesses for MAXine, because I'm putting 4 harnesses in it for the so I can take the kids out riding around and everything in the back seat. I just wanted the best seat belts I could get for the car. So let's go look around inside, check it out. Well, we got our harnesses, and I also picked up this sweet backpack. Look at this thing. Saw it in there. I was like, I gotta have one of those. Anyway, got the harnesses and all the people here are super nice. They're super knowledgeable. Like, I just told them what I wanted, and it's like, this is what you need for your car. And it's just cool to deal with people that know what they're talking about, have been in the industry for so long that you can take their word for it. They've been around the longest of any safety supplier of racing in the industry. They are the name, Simpson. That's when I knew. I mean, like, as soon as I knew it, as soon as I was going to get race harness, I was like, I'm going to get Simpson ones. I have a Simpson helmet. It's just, ever since I was a kid and saw the Bandit, the Simpson Bandit helmet, I knew that I wanted one at some point. As soon as I could, whenever I needed a helmet, that was what I was going to get. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. We're going to bring you some more stuff like this. But until next time, I'm out of here.